Like, subscribe, and get notified.
St. Anthony Asolda entered into the semi-finals of the second Vardyancho Isht Trophy, organized by Batora United Kurturi, in association with Margao Sports Club, as they defeated United Club of Sirolim 1-0 at DSYA Ground Kurturi on Tuesday. USC Sirolim almost took the lead when Oliver D'Souza's shot from the box was well punched away for a corner by Asolda goalkeeper Alvin Faria. Then Sheldon Fernandez gave a long pass to Ivo Costa, who controlled the ball and tapped it into the goal before the half-time to register a 1-0 lead. The second half saw Sirolim taking control and raided the rival defence on many occasions by Oliver D'Souza and Selroy Fernandez and the substitutes, but all went in vain. In the dying minutes, Asolda launched a counter-attack and Cruz Gomes gave a pass to substitute Sucker, who fed Vitorino Fernandez, who ran down the flank and beat the goalkeeper and defence and shot in, but side pole came to the rescue of Sirolim and ball hit the pole and bounced back into play, which was well cleared by the defence. Ivo Costa of Asolda was awarded man of the match by Alex Dias in the presence of Prashant Damaskar.
आमकां हाडून चीफ गेस्ट केला आनी सदांच ते आमचो उगडास करता, स्पेशली जोकी, आनी तेणी आपली बरी तकणाय करून हे फकाणांनी इतले इंट्रस्ट घेवन ते कित्याक करता हे भुरग्यांक मुखार घालपाक. सो आपलो इंट्रस्ट धरून हेरान पेरंट्सांनी तांकां सपोर्ट करून बरें फुटबॉल आमचें उंची धरूंक हांव मागता. कित्याक आय लीग सगळी आमची दिश्टी पडना. सो आय लीग आमची येयना जाल्यार आमचे इंडियेक कशे प्लेयर फ्लोट जातले. सो ह्यो हितूंतल्यान एक नॅशनल बुसा आमच्या गोंया सिलेक्ट करतले जाल्यार आमचे क्लब आमचे इंट्रस्ट घेवन आनी आमचे नॅशनल टीम इंडियेची खेळोंक पावतले.